Hello, my people. You are welcome to the second section of our lesson. I trust you are doing well. Now, by the end of this section, you should be able to translate a 2D shape when given the translation vector. Let's review what we learned in our previous lesson. We were asked to translate this shape vertically, right? Now let's move on. Now translate the shape on the number plane using the translation vector 3, -2. So we are going to translate this shape triangle to get this, which is G prime, H prime, and F prime. How do we translate this triangle? Now we have F to be -1 and +2. To translate this, check the first point. It is positive, right? Therefore, any positive point, we move to the east on the horizontal line or the x-axis, since it is the first point. So from point F, we move 3 to the right, which is the east. So move 1, 2, 3. But we have -2 here. The -2 here is indicating a point on the vertical axis, that is the y-axis. Therefore, after moving 3 on the horizontal axis, you move 2 down. Anytime we are moving down, we are heading towards negative values, right? As we can see, they are negative. Good. So from point F, we move 1, 2, 3. Then down 2 times, 1, 2. Therefore, we get F prime, which is the image of F here. Now we have G also here. How many times do we move to the east? We move 3 times. We move 1, 2, 3, right? Then we move down. How many times? 2. So from this point, you move 2 downwards. So 1, 2. Then you get your G prime. Then we also have H here. You move 3 times to the east. So we move 1, 2, 3. And how many times do we move downwards? We move 2 down. 1, 2. I trust you get it. Now let's take another shape. We are going to translate this shape using the vector 1 and +7. So this is the image and this is the main shape. Now we have M here. How do we translate? The point here is positive, so we move to the right direction, right? So at point M, we move 1 to the east, then 7 upwards. Why? Because all the numbers heading to the north are assuming positive. After the origin, they assume positive figures. Therefore, at this point, we move 7 upwards, but not down because it is positive. We move up. So from this point, you move 1 to the east, then you start to move 7 up. So we move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We are getting our M prime, which is the image of point M. Now we also have N here. You move 1 to the east, then you move 7 up. So at this point, let's move 7 up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We also get our N prime, which is the image of point N. Now we have P also here. We move 1 to the east, then move 7 to the north. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, giving us P prime, which is the image of point P. We also have O here. You move once to the east, then 7 upwards. So after moving once, let's move 7 up. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you join your straight line to get your square. Therefore, square M prime, N prime, O prime, P prime is the image of square MNOP. Trust you enjoyed the lesson. Hope to meet you next time.